Hi, today for the Asus Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the X Icon Changer. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app. And here you'll see all of the available applications which icons you could change. For example, let's change the settings icon. We could rename the application. Here we got library with different folders with the icons. You could use them or to use photo from your device gallery or just to take a picture. The picture in camera app. So let's find the similar to the settings icon. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. Tap to X icon, tap to add to home screen, and now we could change the next icon by the same way or to go to the desktop directly. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.